Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration Drawing SVG and makercam. Drawing SVG is free, and we're going to try using it with makercam. We'll call this Hello World, and text style, I'm going to bump up the size to that size, and now document, save or open this document, save, and it's called file1.svg. So we go into file, open, and file1.svg, and it's empty. And I don't know why, and maybe it's just because, but if I open this file, you see it works, it's Hello World. But makercam doesn't see that. So we'll try a new file. Click OK, and now let's try a box. Draw elements. Let's do a rectangle. There it is. Document. Save. Document. There it is, file 2 SVG. Let's drag that up. And I have a box. Let's try makercam again. File. Actually, let's refresh the screen to make sure there's no leftovers. File, open SVG, and there's our new file. Open, and let's go. Oh, look at that. Now we have a box. So that worked. It doesn't like text, but it seems to be okay with boxes. So let's try another draw element, and yeah, we'll do a circle. So I draw a circle. Yeah, where's my circle? There it is, and I'll put the circle like that. And document, and we'll save this, save, document, that's file 3, SVG, we'll see what that works. Okay, that does work. Now let's go back to makercam, and I'll refresh this page entirely. File new, open SVG, file 3, open, and makercam doesn't automatically figure out where the file is. And there it is. So here is our drawing. There's one, and there's two. Now let's try for giggles just one more time. Let's see if we can put in text, because maybe the text element needs to be of a specific kind. So I'll put some text here. Test, text style, Arial, very basic, generic. We'll whack that out to as big as we can. And document, okay, oh, it doesn't like that. Something doesn't like it all. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't like it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if I can move it. Can't move this object. Ah, there we go. Move. Alright, it's not throwing any errors now. Now it is. Okay, but let's see. Yeah, okay, so it doesn't like the text. Let's delete that. See if we still throw errors. No errors. Ah, okay, so we do have an error. We have a type error of some kind. Yeah, okay, fine. Now, file 1, we can close that. File 3, we can close that. Makercam, back to where we were. And now, I'll do my toolpaths. Sorry, I need to... cam, profile operation. Profile 1, I call that the circle. Tool diameter is Oh, I don't want it in inches, I want it in centimeters. cm, and tool paths, profile operation. Tool diameter is 1, target depth is -3, outside. Safety depths, safety height is 5, step down 1.5. Click OK. That's number 1. Now we need to do the second path, and that is a profile operation as well. And we'll call this the rectangle. Tool diameter is 1. It doesn't. makercam doesn't remember the options from the others, so it's always a bit of a nuisance. You have to enter each one individually. Click OK. Now, theoretically, I should have a cutout here and a cutout here. And our material is Our material is 3. Tool diameter is not 5, it's 1. Target depth is 3. So theoretically, these should cut all the way through the material. Is that what I want? No. It's not what I want. But for our purposes, we'll just go ahead and run this. We'll go ahead and, oh, look at that, batch modify. Let's try that. Batch. So I can select both of these. Cam, batch modify. Okay, tool diameter is 1. Target depth is, I'll go with 1.5. It's outside. Safety height is 3. Stock, step over, step down, we'll do 0.5 millimeters, and hole spacing, there's no holes, I click OK. Now, export the G-code. No paths, even though I had selected the paths. Let's try again. I've got 4 tool paths. Export the G-code, but it's not picking up my paths, even though it has, there's 2 or 4 of them. Calculate all. Let's try that. There we go. Now we should be able to export our G-code. Bada bing, they're all 0.1. And export selected tool paths. We'll drop this on the Robotny stole. We'll give this Robochi stole. We'll put this 1.1 and save. And we go back out here to our desktop, and there's our 1.1. We drag that over to OpenSCAM, and it should load. But you'll see, interestingly, let's show my details. 1.1 part NC is what I loaded, and that's what I loaded, 1.1 part NC, but it's only getting the circle and not the rectangle that I also exported. Okay, makercam, love it, hate it, learn it. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.